Welcome to SK Study Corner. In this video, we'll explore two fascinating and closely connected fields, cell biology and biotechnology. You'll learn about the structure and function of cells, the magic of stem cells, and how biotechnology is transforming agriculture, medicine, and our everyday lives. Cell biology, or cytology, is the study of the cell, its structure, organelles, and types. It includes processes like cell division and helps us understand how living things function at the cellular level. In India, research centers like the National Centre for Cell Science in Pune and INSTEM in Bengaluru are leading this revolution in human health. Stem cells are special, undifferentiated cells found in multicellular organisms. They can turn into any other cell type and help in healing wounds. In early development, an organism starts as a cluster of these stem cells, capable of forming every part of the body thanks to their pluripotency. There are two main types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells come from embryos between the 5th and 7th day after conception and can become any type of cell. Adult stem cells, on the other hand, are found in the body, like in bone marrow, fat tissue, and blood, and even in cord blood right after birth. Stem cells are stored at ultra-low temperatures for future medical use. This preserved potential is used in regenerative therapy, where stem cells help in diseases like diabetes, heart attacks, Alzheimer's, and blood disorders such as leukemia and thalassemia. Stem cells also help in growing organs like the liver or kidneys, which can replace damaged ones. However, successful transplantation depends on the availability of donors. That's why organ and body donation after death is so important. It saves lives and supports medical research. Biotechnology means using living organisms and their processes to benefit humans. It combines science fields like cytology, molecular biology, and genetics. From making yogurt and vaccines to developing GM crops and hormones, biotechnology is behind many everyday solutions. With biotechnology, we can increase crop yield, create disease-resistant varieties, grow plants that can withstand harsh conditions, and speed up food production. This helps feed growing populations using the same amount of land. In farming, biotech helps create hybrid seeds and genetically modified crops like Bt cotton and golden rice. It also supports biofertilizers like rhizobium and azolla, which naturally boost soil nutrients, reducing the need for harmful chemicals. In animal farming, biotechnology improves product quality through techniques like artificial insemination. For humans, it helps in early disease diagnosis, hormone production like insulin, and gene therapy to treat genetic disorders like phenylketonuria. Biotechnology makes safer and longer-lasting vaccines, even edible ones like vaccine-producing potatoes. It also enables cloning, where exact copies of genes or organisms are made. Cloning helps treat diseases, control heredity issues, and multiply helpful genes for therapy. Industries use biotech for cheaper production of chemicals like alcohol. It also helps the environment. Special bacteria clean oil spills, while plants like sunflowers and mustard absorb heavy metals. This process, called bioremediation, helps clean up pollution naturally. The Green Revolution solved food shortage issues using high-yield crops and better farming methods, thanks to scientists like Dr. Norman Borlaug and Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. The White Revolution, led by Dr. Verghese Kurian, made India self-sufficient in dairy, using biotech for quality and preservation. The Blue Revolution promotes fish and aquatic farming through projects like Nil Kranti Mission 2016. Organic farming, on the other hand, avoids chemicals completely, using natural fertilizers and hardy native crops to maintain soil health and ecological balance. Biotechnology also helps in DNA fingerprinting for criminal identification, apiculture using modern honey collection, medicinal plant cultivation, and fruit processing to preserve seasonal fruits all year. These innovations are shaping a smarter and healthier future. Biotechnology and cell biology are transforming every aspect of our lives, from food and farming to medicine and the environment. Thanks for watching this presentation by SK Study Corner. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.